Taylor's completed bucket list. Oh, is it a boy or a girl? Election Day 2024.
Fire, rain out of sky.
Yeah, we see it.
And an entire town is being destroyed as proof of Agent Z's awesome weapon, Tonto.
That, gentlemen, is the fate of our nation's capital, unless I surrender to Z's country within 24 hours.
Huh?
One day to save a nation.
Call Gerard Butler.
Not even my army can locate Z's stronghold in that time.
Kemosabe, fire rain come from mountains.
Why, that's Big Thunder Mountain.
Mr. President, an entire army couldn't get past Agent Z's weapon.
7 Nation Army.
But 2 men might make it.
Good luck, Lone Ranger.
Oh, not us. I meant you and a guest. So, Kemosabe, you're in this one. The line is hi-ho, Silver. Rusty much? Where you been at? Look, don't shoot at the heroes. You can't hit them. It's contractual.
Those rocks, Tonto. Hurry.
Somebody hates these rocks. Oh, poopy.
You draw fire, Kemosabe. I circle behind Bushwhacker.
Yeah, I'll just draw fire. Sounds amazing. It's Old West rules, so every shot ricochets and nothing ever gets hit. Oh, and we never run out of ammo, okay? He's getting his rocks off. Here, catch!
Don't! I give up!
This isn't fun anymore!
A member of Agent Z's espionage army.
Don't shoot!
Then talk fast. Where's your headquarters?
Up there!
In that giant secret lair.
You know, critter.
Tonto, we're running out of time. I'll try to sabotage Z's weapon. You bring Colonel Lund's troops.
Bring me some combos and a squirt. It's Darkman.
If that Indian brings the army here, they'll get a warm reception.
All right, because of the fire. Yeah, I get it.
The Masked Man hasn't given up. Activate the defense traps. Yes, my leader.
Are you it? Where are my henchmen?
Easy, Silver. What's wrong, big fellow?
You're trying to kill me again.
The canyon. Danger. Those small bumps in the ground. I wonder.
Why is your curiosity always expressed as gunfire?
Our minefield took care of that masked intruder.
The whole pass is filled with explosive traps.
Maybe Paul McCartney wants to adopt it. This is fun, like a video game. Pew pew.
What? Impossible. He must have blown up the mines and escaped. Wait, there he goes.
How does his outfit stay so
The
clean?
Masked Man still lives. The fire machine, quickly.
Sorry, sir, we're a little understaffed today. There's a stomach bug just tearing through the henchmen. Wow, this guy takes smoking meat very seriously. Literally an infernal machine.
Enemy sighted, sir. Fire.
Should we aim first? Oh, okay, never mind. Ouch, guys, that's really hot. Cut it out.
Perfect. The Masked Man's trapped in the ring of flames. He'll soon be a pile of cinders.
It delights me.
My leader, the army's coming.
They have water. Look out.
What? Reload the fire machine. Distance 5 miles.
Give or
Open
take.
fire.
Incoming gender reveal. Ow, ow, quit it, ow, quit it.
It's rain and fire.
Hallelujah.
Kemosabe in danger.
What about you in danger, dude? You gotta love yourself, Tonto.
Fools, I near miss. Reload.
You're officially on break. Take 5.
Attack. Get that Masked Man.
He's the one wearing the mask. That man over there. Go back to the indeterminate place you come from.
Weasels, let's get out of here.
Get back here and do my insane bidding. There's some kind of lesson in here about playing with fire, but I'm not smart enough to sort it out.
Catch fire, this entire mountain will be blown up.
Oh, never mind. Nap time.
I shall yet be victorious. My target, Washington, D.C.
Oh, okay.
Washington, I've got to stop him.
I mean,
Nothing
rush.
can save your capital now.
yeah, we know.
The firing mechanism ruined.
Rocks are really getting things done today. I guess let's just keep throwing crap at each other.
Perhaps I can still. No! No!
Washington just blew itself up through incompetence. No!
Mountain explode! Kemosabe!
I needed him to co-sign a loan later.
Volcanoes erupting! Must get to him. Too late, Tonto. Nobody could survive that inferno. But the Lone Ranger's life was not in vain. He saved our country. No, Lone Ranger still lives.
If there's one thing American heroes do best, it's somehow outrunning explosions and lava. Our ecosystem is toast, but at least many people are dead.
Kemosabe! Hail Silver! Away!
How many billions of dollars in advanced technology do these guys destroy per episode, I wonder? Okay, bye. Thank you so much for watching Fun with Shorts. This series is supported by Patreon and patrons like these wonderful people right here. They get early access to new episodes and exclusive episodes every month. Also, check out the updated funwithshorts.com for DVDs and merch and all the good stuff. Thank you so much, everybody. I'll see you next time.